we'll be going ahead and mount an EST Genesis multi-CD horn strobe. We're going to go ahead and wire this unit today. Or maybe install this. Alright, the way to install the unit is we're going to go ahead and... Oh yeah, before we get into that, here's the model number. EG1 HDVM, and it's a horn strobe. We're going to go ahead and pop this out with your screwdriver. The little... There you go. Here's the horn. I already had tape on it because usually it was loose before. Yeah, I already glued it on, so. And then you're going to go ahead and put it up here where the wall is. Or maybe, like, put it up here. I'd rather, like, have it up here, but why not? We're going to go ahead and wire up this horn strobe today. And this will actually work. Okay, so as you can see, I just got the negative wire onto the negative terminal. Because, as you can see, the negative terminal is already over here. And then how about this guy? Now, this white wire, we're going to go ahead and put that white wire in the white terminal. Okay, so as you can see, after that, you may go ahead and install the unit up here. Like, push in all the way, and then you're going to see the screw. One screw on here. We're going to go ahead and mount the screw right onto it and see how it's supposed to work. Okay, so as you can see, I already put one screw on it. Because usually the alarm cannot fit. It cannot stretch, like, through this wire here. We're going to go ahead and, after this... We're going to go ahead and put on this cover right here. So the cover right here could fit onto this alarm. And as you can see, the alarm right here is on... Where's the alarm? Oh, there's the candela right here. So the candela right now, which I set it on, is 110 candela. But let's see. But it's not at 110. So let's go ahead and... I'm not going to do this, but don't you cry. But... Never mind, I can't take it out. And then I recommend put something right next to it. But, yeah. Alright, so as you can see, I got my fire alarm set up right here. But as you can see, I got something really different. But the Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe is next to the EST Genesis horn strobe, which is really insane. Because usually the horn strobe is supposed to be here, but the EST Genesis stays here. But... Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and pull this. And yes, I'm not going to go ahead and set off this Gentex alarm because it's not connected. But the only alarm is connected is the EST Genesis. Well, let's go ahead and get the white wire here. It's really simple, you can tell. So let's go ahead and put the... I guess, like, put the, And yes, I just connected that. I connected the batteries. Once again, the horn strobe is not connected to... So this horn strobe, the Gentex Commander 3, is not connected to this pulse station. So this Gentex Commander 3 is a medical alarm. I like pretend to have that. And the EST Genesis is a fire alarm. The one you may connect it to the pulse station. But the EST Genesis horn strobe is connected to my pulse station. But this one is not connected. This alarm right here. So the Gentex Commander 3 is next to my EST Genesis horn strobe. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate this one today. No, we're going to go ahead and pull it and test this out. But I hope it's going to work, but let's go ahead and just set it off. There you go. As you can see, this fire alarm actually worked, I can tell you. So, let's go ahead and just connect this alarm right here again. Just trying to make sure, because we're going to go ahead and wire this. Put this thing over here. Now let's go ahead and test out this medical alarm that we had here. So we're going to go ahead and put this thing right here. The positive goes right here. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm and set off the medical alarm. But anyways, here we go. That was interesting.